Hello, and what is up, YouTube? This is your Metro Detroit rail fanner with another video at night, checking out the Plymouth, Michigan train first, then heading off to Daisy Square for a few updates to share with you. Somebody has got their Christmas lights all set up. You gotta go check see that, those cars. Oh, it's auto tracks. Let me go see. I'm gonna go check it outside. So, here's this train of, this Plymouth, Michigan train at night. Here, I'll go outside and check it out. Okay. That looks kind of like nice graffiti art. Oh. Probably admitting it was a CSX engine because it's really common to see in Plymouth. Full view for you guys. Right by Bodie's. Everyone waiting right on Main Street over here. Well, I do get to see the nice looking graffiti art over here. So that's great. Oh. Oh, they just put Garfield onto the graffiti. Very, very nice. So little updates. I am making a model train table for my man cave that is to be starting its construction at my grandparents' house. Going renovations right now. And I'm going to be making a model train, imaginary model train table, like a model train table of my own, representing fictional stories of mine. And plans on having those plans on building that model train table in my future, in my man cave that I'm building right And so I'm collecting model trains and trucks and cars, so I could swap out anything, swap out a train to basically what I simply want. In case if I needed to switch one over time. And next update. Yeah, and I'm in the next production for a new YTP video coming soon. A new YTP in production, and it's very nice to look at it crossing signal light out at night. I think it's pretty much better. Like when you see those, it really lights up. And sometimes you can see those cars pretty great. And there's the end. I will say, and I will have to give you some updates. So anyway, I was just gonna tell you. I was gonna tell you a few updates that I have for my channel. Some updates I have for my channel. Some updates I have for my channel as we walk around Daisy Square, and also right now. Checking out the fact, telling you right by Daisy Square. I'll tell you the updates. Be right back. So, in my future, what I am, my future for this channel also, and also I have a new YTP coming out. A new Shimmer and Shine YTP called Dance Magic Kicked Zeta. And this will come out sometime around either late November or early December. I guess I'll have to find out. And then later, and then after that, another Miss Rabbit and Dank Memes video. Well, my last Shimmer and Shine YTP for 2024 is going to be called Nighty Night Twinkle Genie. So that is a silly title I made up. But it will be coming around late December. So here talking about my, planning on getting monetized for future, I am also making train and truck die-cast reviews, as well as making YTPs in the same channel. So what did we talk about?
Monetizing?
Yeah,
views.
So I can remember, so I can tell to the viewer.
Train car reviews.
Yeah,
reviews.
Yeah, I am, my train, and we checked out the net worth of this model train YouTuber Crafty Fox, and the fact that his reviews got him so much subscribers. And what did we talk about my model trains and YTPs, getting me in that kind of profit.
Adding multiple streams of income, advertising.
Yeah, multiple streams of income.
Advertising income.
Yep, advertising income.
To be able to support.
Yeah, and the next steps to live here in Daisy Square. For my goals, to live in, to move to Daisy Square around fall 2028. And starting my future in my privately shown alternate stories that it would be only shown in my town, which is obviously right here. There probably is a car. Never mind. And also, after the YTP, and Shimmer and Shine I'll be making in late December, called Nighty Night Twinkle Genie. Then next will be my final Miss Rabbit and Dank Memes video, coming on December 30th, called Take Out Be Black. And it's where Donald Trump gets finally set onto trial. And Secret Agent Dank Memes gives him a much more gentle sentence. He gets sent to an alternate dimension, never to destroy women's rights. And American politics again. And so there could be a much more better America. As the Plymouth city limit, Plymouth, Michigan city limit right here. The robot politician for here in the city of Plymouth, Secret Agent Dank Memes. And I'm targeting a sweet, when you look out the back, when you look outside, you'll see that this is probably one of the suites I'll be targeting. When you look at the back, when you look at the front of the building, when you're looking outside, I am aiming the one that has a balcony on the right and a general window on the left. And I'll definitely make many of those reviews for sure of me unboxing so these model trains and trucks and die casts and more, and as well as making my YTPs at the same time. Model trains, cars, trucks and stuff. Yeah, speaking of trucks and stuff is one of them. Well, I gotta be going for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't not already. And I'll see you guys later in the next video. I'm out. See you later, Zeta people of Zeta's Sorcery.